Right now, backyard renovation time-lapse videos are going crazy viral. These videos get millions of views, and in this tutorial, you'll see exactly how you can make them too. Open ChatGPT and click on Explore GPTs. Search for the GPT called Restoration Timelapse and select it. Then click on Start Chat. This GPT is very powerful and can create all kinds of video concepts, but that part will come in the next videos on this channel. For now, you'll use it to create backyard renovation videos, just like the ones that are blowing up online. This GPT has two options. First, you'll use the normal Start option. Click on Start, and the GPT will give you 10 video ideas. In this example, pick idea number 5, which is a backyard renovation. Type 5, and the GPT will then ask you 3 questions. Answer them however you like. For this tutorial, choose Modern Luxury for question 1, a water pool for question 2, and a bright daytime for question 3. The GPT will now generate the text-to-image and video prompts you need. The second option in this GPT lets you work from an image. For example, you can go to Pinterest, find a backyard photo you like, and download it. Go back to the GPT and, instead of clicking Start, click Start from Image. Upload the Pinterest image, and the GPT will give you text-to-image and video prompts based on that exact image. Let's copy the first text-to-image prompt it gives you. Now open OpenArt. Go to Create Image. Make sure the model Nano Banana Pro is selected. The output is set to 2K, and the aspect ratio is 9:16. Paste the first text-to-image prompt and click Generate. This will give you your start frame, which is the most important image because you'll use it as your main reference. Pick the image you like most and set it as your reference image. Next, remove the old text-to-image prompt from OpenArt. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the second text-to-image prompt the GPT gave you. Return to OpenArt, paste the new prompt, keep your reference image selected, and click Generate. Now you'll get the next phase of the video where people are already working in the backyard. Again, choose a reference image you like for this new phase. Remove the text-to-image prompt in OpenArt again. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the third text-to-image prompt. Paste it into OpenArt, pick the new reference image, and click Generate. Now you'll see the backyard in the next stage, with water already in the pool. This will be your third image. You now need the final result image. Pick the new reference image you want to use and set it as your reference. Remove the old text-to-image prompt in OpenArt again. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the last text-to-image prompt. Paste this final prompt into OpenArt and click Generate. This gives you the last image you need, the finished backyard. Now switch to the Video tab in OpenArt. Go to Animate Image and click on the History button. Select the first start frame you made and the second image you generated. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the first text-to-video prompt. In OpenArt, make sure you select the video model Kling AI 3.0 and set the output resolution to 1080p. Paste the text-to-video prompt and click Generate. When that's done, remove the old image-to-video prompt. Now select the second image you made as the start frame and the third image you made as the end frame. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the second image-to-video prompt. Paste it into OpenArt and click Generate again. After that, remove the prompt once more. Upload the third image as the start frame and the last image as the end frame. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the next video prompt, paste it into OpenArt, and click Generate again. For the last step, you only need the final image. Use the end result image and select the last video prompt the GPT gave you. Paste that prompt into OpenArt and generate the final clip. When all the clips are generated, you'll have 4 short videos. Import these 4 clips into your video editing software. Place them in the correct order on the timeline so the backyard moves from empty to under construction to fully finished. When you play it back, you'll get a smooth renovation time-lapse result like the one you saw at the start. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. You'll find all the links and tools I used in this video in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.